issue tonight.
Part of it. This is the bun is very
Better be prepared.
okay. Totally thought that it would. I mean, nobody's going to see that again anyway, so I might as well just yeah, now it looks fine. I feel like
Kind of glad you don't have to do that.
Yeah.
Got like a little bit of space.
But
When somebody takes over for Cutler, I'll be glad to take it back.